Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Martinez del Vega, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about filing an employment lawsuit and what that entails. Now, it's important to speak to an attorney to decide where your lawsuit might be filed, whether in federal or state court. There's different agencies that you need to contact. For federal claims, the EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. For state claims, it'd be the DFEH, Department of Fair Housing and Employment and Housing. And it's important to have an attorney early on in the stage. So if you think you've been discriminated against or you lost your job and you think they fired you for unjust reasons, like, for example, discrimination, you made a request for an accommodation at work, maybe you're injured your arm or you have some kind of disease and that requires you to work from home, and or there's lots of examples where an accommodation should be given. So it's good to speak with an attorney who has experience in both state and federal court so they can know where your lawsuit's going to be filed. And if your lawsuit is filed, it would be filed in court either federal or state. After that, you would have your deposition and there would be discovery. What's a deposition? Deposition would be a chance where the employer, the other attorney for your employer, would have a chance to ask you a lot of questions. And these can be technical and take days, day or two. So it's important you have an attorney to speak with and figure out what exactly happened, to be prepared for the hostile environment sometimes that can happen in a deposition. After that, there's several chances to try to settle your claim. So it's good to speak with an attorney who will help you evaluate and tell you what your chances are for being successful in your claim, and whether it's worth going to trial, whether you weigh the costs and benefits, because employment cases can get difficult and be tough, and it's always important to have an attorney that you can speak to and that you can trust and that will help you and think about you ultimately and help you make that decision. So feel free to call me if you have any questions. My phone number is 415-287-6200. I'm always available for my clients or prospective clients to discuss their case.